Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video here at MT Paradise. So obviously doing Porsche Cayman stuff, and I have a couple things that just arrived. So I got them sitting right here on my nice little wing shelf. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a full unwrapping of exactly what these are. I have not seen them yet, just pulled them out of the box. So I'm gonna do kind of like a little bit of like an unboxing video of, I mean, you'll probably see it in the title, but here we go. Alright, so you can probably kind of tell by the shape of this one, but I'm not gonna say just yet. And hopefully these turn out to be as exactly what I've been expecting, because if not, it's going to be a little upsetting, especially since I'm not going to edit any of this out. So, good or bad, here we go. Oh, wow, okay, so, yes, this was supposed to be carbon fiber, and this looks pretty legit. Okay, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, okay, I absolutely love this. And if you're not really sure what this is, it's actually for the intake. So the intake, if you didn't know, is on either side of the car, and the GT4s have an intake scoop, which is able to like capture more air and force it into the intake. So this is a carbon fiber version of the intake scoop, which I think looks absolutely insane. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I cannot wait to put these on the car, but that looks so good. And as you can see, the blue stripe kind of gets cut off by the intake, but on this, what I'm going to do is, I've been thinking about on the carbon fiber itself, continuing the blue and yellow onto the carbon fiber, and maybe have like a little sticker that says like active intake and then kind of pointing into it. But yeah, this will be able to capture like a lot more air, because right now like the air kind of like flows by the car and it kind of hits it right there. But with the intake scoop on, as you can see, it'll be able to capture, it's almost like doubling how much kind of pulls out to be able to capture the air. So that'll be such a good addition to the car. And I think it just looks absolutely amazing. Like I said, the GT4 has one that's the same color as the body, whereas having the carbon fiber is just going to look absolutely incredible. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and open up the other one. But like I said, the quality of this actually looks really good. And I am very satisfied with this, and I cannot wait to get it installed in the Cayman. So I'm about to unwrap the other one, pull the car out, and I'm going to stick them on the car like right now. Alright guys, so it is the next day, and I was actually going to install the side intake scoops yesterday, but then I had another idea I wanted to work on first. Alright, so my idea was, like, as you can see, the yellow is kind of like on the bottom edge of the blue. So everywhere there's blue, the yellow's on the bottom. However, I really wanted to add like a little bit more flair, a little bit more yellow. I want to border every single spot where the blue and the gray touch. So that means another yellow all the way on the top of that one, yellow going down the top of this one, like a lot more yellow, especially yellow coming all the way down and around on the hood to then follow this line down. I was just kind of like looking at the centerpiece, and I really like how I have the yellow on both sides of that, and I really wanted to kind of add a little bit more flair, a little bit more pop. So I'm just going to go through and add yellow everywhere. And one of the reasons why I haven't put the scoops on yet is, as you can see, the vinyl kind of goes down and it tucks behind this little plastic piece. Also down here it kind of tucks in as well. So I wanted to get all the yellow vinyl on and then put on the intake scoop, since the scoop will be going on top of the yellow. And I just wanted to minimize how many seams were kind of exposed. And if you guys are wondering what kind of yellow I'm using, it's actually 3M 1080. So it is the fluorescent like satin yellow. It's extremely bright, but what I do is pretty much marked out 1/2-inch strips. There's like a little bit of wavy edge. It's going to be like kind of like a scrap, but I needed 16 of them. I got 2 already from the last time I cut them out. So essentially these are 5 foot by 1/2 inch. So they're just like cute little rolls, and then I'll just use these and apply it onto the car. But these are the strips that I made so far that are going to essentially all get cut out and be laid on the car. Alright, so I have all 14 of those little yellow strips pretty much cut, ready to go. I have a couple more up here, so in theory when I measured out I needed 15, maybe 16, so I went ahead and made 14 more, since these are left over from last time. Same roll of vinyl, same everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and get isopropyl alcohol on most of this car, get it cleaned up on all those edges. I'm going to wrap this side while I'm in the garage, and then I'm going to have to pull it out into the scalding hot sun, and then do the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that, and I'll see you when I'm done. Hey guys, so before I continue with the video, I definitely wanted to shout out Laminex, go check them out, and I actually have a promo code right here that if you go to this link, it'll give you 20% off of all their products. So if you guys want cool headlight film, whether on your headlights or fog lights, or even just like clear film to protect your lenses, even for headlights and for your taillights. So they also have different levels of like smoke kind of tint. And another cool thing about Laminex is the headlight and fog light film for my car actually came pre-cut. So one of the cool steps is you can actually get it and it's already cut specifically for your vehicle. You just enter your make, model, and different body style, and they'll have pre-cut selections. So if you want tinted taillights or even just like the yellow, clear, some other like tinted headlights, definitely go check out Laminex. The link right here, and it'll also be in the description down below. So definitely go check them out and get 20% off. Now back to the video. Alright, so you can see I added the yellow, but here it is, the completed driver's side of the car, which I think looks absolutely incredible now. So we just look at how much yellow kind of borders everything. It just makes like the blue kind of pop, even on the hood a little bit. But then when you look at this side, some of it just kind of like hides a little bit, like you see. I already started up here, but you kind of see like the blue gray line just kind of disappears, whereas up here it's just like nice and bold. It just pops a bit more. But also another thing is you can see the intake right here, and about like when the air comes by, a little bit of it kind of is able to get caught into that intake scoop. But now when you go over and look at the other side, because I already have this intake scoop already on, whenever I get next to the car, you can see that a lot more air can get sucked into the intake. So I think it looks absolutely incredible. Got that real carbon fiber like in the sun. Wow, like this is just beautiful. But like I was saying, like the weave on the carbon fiber looks so good. I know with like a what's like the just gloss carbon, so it looks absolutely amazing, and just the way it looks with everything else is just so cool. And because you guys are probably asking for it, here's a cold start on a 2014 Porsche Cayman S with a crazy custom one-of-a-kind exhaust and a bunch of other stuff. It is so hard trying to explain how loud this thing is. Like, it just sounds absolutely amazing. And like, there's even a lot of like V8s. Oh, there we go. Now it's starting to quiet down. Now it's getting a little warm. But there's a lot of V8s I have not heard this loud. I've even compared it with a bunch of Ferrari V8s, and my car is still significantly louder. So yeah, I just absolutely love this build. It's my complete favorite. Like there's nothing more I could have imagined than this car, how it sits. Like just absolutely my dream. So if you guys have a dream, definitely go out there and make it happen. Alright guys, so these intake scoops right here are actually meant to kind of like resemble like the GT4, because GT4 actually comes stock with kind of like painted side scoops, which I just absolutely love the design, but carbon fiber for me was definitely a must, especially with the crazy build on this just absolutely insane car. Yeah, if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below, and if you want to see more videos like this, especially more videos with my Porsche Cayman S, definitely hit that subscribe button. But as always, thank you for watching.